welcome back to my channel. So today I am dropping things. No. I don't know why I get in here and then drop everything off my table. But anyway, today I am using the GLAMINATRIX Cosmetics Nocturnal palette. Let me open this up. Here it is. Apparently this is a palette they came out with and it must have been like a really good seller, but they redid the palette. It's just smaller pans because it says this is the Nocturnal Mini palette. I do not have the original. I didn't know about the company, I guess, whenever this was released. So I was excited to snag this palette. I also got the Barely Basic palette, so I'm excited about that one as well. However, I did do the pre-order for both of them and then they just recently arrived. So the Nocturnal Mini, I ended up going with it because today is my oldest daughter's birthday and we are going to see the new Beetlejuice movie. So I was like, you know what? How appropriate would it be to do something with like the greens and the purples? But then over here I see this like mustardy, murky, like yellow, and I really want to do something with that. So that is why I chose to do this palette today. So again, here it is. And without further ado, it looks like it is still available on their website. It is $42. It looks like the Barely Basic palette is sold out. I do believe you can find a coupon code. Just Google it as always and see what comes up and then you can save yourself some money. So anyway, we're just gonna jump right into this. So if you want to see what I do with this palette, and just keep watching. So this is really neat. It actually has like a plastic cover over it and it says, you know, eyeshadow and pressed pigment, but it peels up so you can actually take it off. And this is a really nice like velvety feeling palette. But I left it on there. It gives us a little information on the back, but again, you just undo the whole thing. I thought that was pretty neat. Okay, back to it. I think I'm just gonna go right in. Oh, that's so funny. I said murky. This one's called Murky. So I'm gonna go right in with that color to start. And it does have a mirror, but as always, I'm gonna use my little mirror here. Let's see. That is really pretty. It is definitely very vibrant. Ooh, I like that. I'm not sure if I want to go in with the black on the outer portion and then do purple underneath or do, ooh, I don't know. Hold on. Let's hold that thought. Let's hold that thought. I think I want to go in with Night Vision here. I'm going to pick that up on this Beauty Bay 206 brush. That is so pretty. That is a very bright. I don't think I was quite expecting that color to be that bright. Wow. That is really pretty. I haven't wet the brush or anything. So, do I want to do this? Ooh, now I'm like, ooh, what do I want to do? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Maybe I'll leave it like that. Let me see. I'm going to take this Blend Bunny B4 brush. And I'm going to go into Witching Hour here. Which is like muted eggplant purple. I'm going to put that out here. I'm going to pick up that prior murky color and just dab over where all these colors meet up, just to soften the edge of them. That is actually really pretty. Like, it might not be everybody's color story, but the way those colors went on is really pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring that green all the way into the inner corner in here. I really just think it's a beautiful color. And then I think what I want to do is take that murky color and put it underneath. And then I'm gonna take that same Blend Bunny brush. I'm not being super precise. I'm gonna look down and I'm just gonna apply that purple along that lower lash line. Like that. I'm gonna go back in with that prior brush and just soften that edge. Like that. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, everything applied so nice. Oh, that's so exciting. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hop over to the other eye. I really want to use some of these blues, but I really want to see this fog color and like the gold with the black, like these, this one, and this one are really sticking out to me. So I'm gonna go in with that fog color. And I'm gonna pick that up on this Beauty Bay 203 brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna pick up Shadow, this matte black. And I think I'm just gonna place that out here. I'm kind of going in like a very loose like triangle shape, but just bringing it down on an angle. But I'm just putting it here and then kind of stippling out just to make the area a little bit larger and being a little bit more precise with where I want that color to be, because it is a dark color and it's easier to just go in light and then build something up rather than going in like really heavy-handed and then being like, crap, that's not what I wanted, that's not where I wanted it. And then you have to work harder to kind of clean up your mess. I'm gonna go back in with that fog color and just dab over the edge of that just to blend it out a bit. Just to soften it, just a smidge, nothing crazy. And then I'm gonna take this AOA Studio E143 brush. It's just a larger flat shadow brush. And then I'm gonna pick up Constellation here. I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. Ooh, that's more bronzy than I was expecting, for sure. Like, I don't know why. I think looking down at it, it looks more like a greenish gold. So I'm just really surprised that putting it on the lid, it's as bronzy as it is. Excuse me. And I'm gonna bring that up and dab over where it meets up with the black to get a better blend. And meeting it up with the corner over here, so it kind of comes down on a slant. And then I'm gonna pick up the brush with that fog color again. Just stipple a little bit more on, soften the edge. I do have some fallout from the glitter color or the shimmer, the Constellation, but just wipe it away, no big deal. Bring that into the inner corner. I think I'm just gonna follow suit with what I did on the other eye. I was thinking I wanted to add in some blue, but I am going out like this. Try to make it not so crazy. And I'm gonna take that black, just put it down here on that lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna leave both of them like that. I'm gonna hop off, I'm gonna finish them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the finished looks. I'll go ahead and close my eyes. I'll go ahead and cover one eye. I'll go ahead and cover the other eye. There's that, and let's see. I really hope that shows the amount of shimmer and like prettiness. Just beautiful. I don't know. Let me go ahead and zoom out and we'll talk about it. Man, it feels weird to see myself in these big voluminous lashes. I used the Tarte, these are some of my favorite, the Tarteist Pro, Tarteist, I don't know, Pro lashes in Goddess. I absolutely love these lashes. These are what they are. I love them. They're some of my favorites. And then I just used my Benefit Their Real Extreme Precision Liner in extra black to do the wing for both. And then I just wanted to continue on this deep, dark, sultry look. So I used my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in whatever black. Really like it. It's a nice matte black. And then I actually have been loving this. This is the Sephora Love the Lift mascara. I have been trying this out this week and I have had very minimal, if no transfer at all. I'm super excited. This costs like $12. That is super exciting compared to some mascaras that cost like $25, $26 and up. Like, that's crazy. I don't know. I'm like super excited about it. I ordered another one because I was like, if this is really as good as I'm feeling like it is after these past few days of wearing it at work, because usually about 7 hours. So I get up early, you know, I'm up at like 5:30 in the morning, doing my makeup at like 6. So around like 2 in the afternoon, I'm noticing like black transfer and like smudge under my eyes from my mascara. So I was like, something's got to give. And I pulled this out and I was like, let me try this again. I really like it. I really have been liking it. And then on my lips, I went ahead and used, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this combo. I used my Vive Lip Liner in Velvet Sands. Here's the bottom of it. And I went ahead and topped that with the MAC Flesh Pot that I was able to get. It looks a lot darker, but when you put it on, it's definitely a lot lighter than what it looks like in the tube. So anyway, that is what I used there. I'm really liking it. I just can't get over how like different this looks with these lashes, because I just haven't been feeling like wearing lashes lately, and now I'm like, oh, they're thick, but it looks really pretty. Honestly, this is gonna be very simple, very cut and dry. You guys saw it. I feel like this was like the quickest I have done a video in a while, especially for doing 2 different eyes. I feel like everything went on nice. I will say I didn't overcomplicate it. Like, I wanted to use the blues and I wanted to use the pink and try some other colors, but then I was like, no, let's just keep it like this. I feel like I didn't overcomplicate it, and I just went ahead and went in and did what I needed to do, which I really appreciate that this palette is that good. I didn't have to work hard at putting these colors on. I didn't have to work hard at blending them. Everything applied nicely. I didn't even wet these shimmers and they went on beautifully. Like, I am so excited about that. So hands down, I am really in love with GLAMINATRIX cosmetics. If you haven't tried them, please try them. I do not get anything for free. This is not sponsored. I spend my hard-earned money on them, and I have loved everything that I have tried from them so far. So, and not gonna lie, it's super exciting being in the United States and getting an email that says the Australian Post has shipped or like received or dropped your order, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I get so excited. There's just something about it. That and the Royal Mail from the UK. I love those emails that's like, the Royal Mail has received your package, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I don't know, it makes me feel fancy or something. I don't know, it just makes me feel some kind of way, and like, I love it. So anyway, kudos to you, GLAMINATRIX. I love the palette. I can't wait to do, I'm not gonna lie, I've already used the Barely Basic palette. I couldn't wait. I got it and I was like, ooh. So I can't wait to do a video with it though. I just opted for this one because we are going to see Beetlejuice, and I thought this would be an appropriate look. So anyway, I hope you guys are well, and I'm gonna get going because everybody's waiting on me. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye. Oh, and if you have this palette and you love it, let me know. And if you have this palette and you're like, meh, let me know that too. Let's talk about it. I love chatting with you guys. Okay, bye.